girl Keisha. I'm gonna try this video blog thing to see how it go, but I'm not sure how it's gonna go. So I'm gonna cut to the chase. My question today is, why are women so insecure? I mean, that goes for me too. But why are we so insecure? I had 2 incidents today where women were in the restaurant and they were acting like they were scared for their man to look at us. I was with my dear having lunch today at Bahama Breeze, and girl kept trying to look at us or whatever. Even when she left, she got outside and stood next to our window and stuff like that. And then another couple behind us got up and had to sit on the same side of the booth. When we came in, they was beefing, wasn't even talking to each other during lunch. Then all of a sudden, he got to get up and move to the other side with her. You know what I'm saying? So it was a trip. I was like, really? And then when we decided to get up and go out, they got up and went out. So they got up and went out. So again, my question is, so why are we, men, women, why are we so insecure? God gave us eyes to see, and we're going to look regardless if you married, got a boyfriend, whatever. We're going to look regardless. So get back here to your girl and let me know.